I'm Cathy Johnson. I work for Richmond County School System as the Nutrition Director, and I am here to talk about my favorite Thanksgiving food, pecan pie. I think my favorite Thanksgiving memories are all from my childhood because back then, way back then, you couldn't get some of these things all the time like they're available all the time now in the grocery stores. You can get pecan pie, pumpkin pie, apple pie, whatever you want. But back then, you know, it was a special time of year, and my grandma lived with us. We called her my nanny, and she did all of the heavy baking, and that included pecan pie and her ambrosia salad and things like that. So any of those memories, you know, sitting in front of the TV and watching the different parades and just knowing that you had nowhere to be and just spending time with family and napping after the dinner. So all of those are just wonderful memories. Pecan pie makes me think of the South, actually. It makes me think of a Southern Thanksgiving, which may be 50 degrees or it may be 80 degrees, but it always brings it back home.